You have been lied to, and I'm talking directly to you because you have heard that you can make a ton of money trading Forex literally in seconds, yet most traders fail miserably. And you're probably wondering why. Well, because the charts they are using are absolute rubbish, and let me show you exactly what I mean. On the left, we have got TradingView, and on the right side, a professional testing software, and I bet you can already notice the difference in how the price moves, right? TradingView charts move bar to bar, showing you just the candles to closures, but the testing software on the right moves tick by tick, capturing every single movement. Now you might think, so what? Is that a big of a deal? And yes, it is, especially when you consider a higher time frame such as the daily one. So look closely once again, and on the trading view, you see a bullish candle, but on the testing software, the exact same period is the bearish one. And why does this matter? Well, because accurate trading decisions always depend on seeing what price was doing exactly in real time, not just end the bar snapshots that TradingView gives you. And if you're serious about trading profitably, you can't rely on incomplete data, and that's exactly why your strategies keep failing when you place your trades. Luckily, I did find a solution, but trust me, it cost me thousands of dollars first. So over 2 years ago, I attempted my first prop firm challenge, and I kept failing again and again. It made no sense to me because my trading strategy actually looked flawless during all the backtest, yet in the live markets, it completely crumbled apart, and you're probably wondering why. Because without realizing it, I kept making the same mistakes over and over and over again. Eventually, thank God, I discovered the harsh truth. Backtesting without a proper software is absolutely useless. Because without detailed feedback, you are trading blind, you can't see what's truly going wrong. But once I switched to a professional trading software, everything changed for me, and I'm being genuinely honest, the way I approach backtesting right now, the way I have seen improvement in a lot of areas and my trading strategies is just insanely outstanding. My stop losses become more strategic and smaller, my take profits become larger because I could finally analyze clearly why every single trade worked or why it actually failed. And this precise feedback transformed my trading. It took my trading results to entirely new level, and the good news is that this exact transformation can happen for you too. And this is exactly why I use the Forex Tester online, because in my opinion it's hands down the best Forex trading tool out there. So if you actually want to become a profitable Forex trader, then this is it. Enough of me talking, and let me actually show you why I love it so much. So not too long ago, I actually passed my Pro Firm challenge, and the only reason I did was because of this one feature that Forex Tester have called Pro Firm Challenge Simulation. So what you can do is you can copy the exact same trading rules from your chosen Pro Firm, then test your own trading strategy in realistic market conditions without risking a single dime of your money or even stressing out about losing your challenge. And it's honestly one of the most exciting and useful tools I have ever used because it gives you a crystal clear feedback on whether your trading strategy actually works before you risk anything. Okay, so let me quickly set this up, and we go ahead and click on a prop challenge, and now you are presented with the two options. So you can either choose instant funding, or you have the option to customize the challenge, and I'm going ahead with this one right over here, and I will copy the exact settings from FTMO. So that means my account balance, so we are going for a 10k, and then of course you have to choose the currency pairs that you want to trade. So in this case we are going ahead with the Euro USD, so let's mark all the kind of majors ones that I want to backtest on. And then of course project name FTMO, and we are going to backtest, let's say from this year, so we are going 2025 from January 1st and let's say to August 1st. So minimum trading days for FTMO is actually 4, and then profit target is 10%, maximum daily loss 500, and maximum total loss is $1,000. So that's the boring part, but let's hit create a project, and here we go. So all what is left to do is click on the play button. So now you will notice that the software opens multiple charts right away, but you can actually close them out and keep just the ones you need. So we are going to do that. So I actually kept the USD JPY, and I want to switch onto the 1 hour time frame. And then of course, if you want to swap the pair, just click right here, so top left corner, and you can select whatever pair you want. So I don't know, let's go maybe to Euro USD, and it clearly opens that up. Now, of course, if you want to customize your charts, you can always do that in the chart settings. So I don't like the grid. I'm gonna hide that. Period separators, and of course the min and ask levels, because I just like how clean it looks. Now, if you're into multi-time frame analysis, and if not, you kind of should, you can easily do that here too. So click on the layout button and you will see all the 46 different chart layouts. So I don't know, let's pick the 2 chart setup as an example. So on the left, you can select Euro USD. Let's do like 50-minute chart. And on the right, maybe let's do Euro USD. So the same pair, but we're gonna do 1 hour chart. And then of course, we're just gonna hide these as well, because as I said, I just like how clean it looks. And as you can see, this way we get a comprehensive view of what's happening in the market across different time frames simultaneously. But of course, for simplicity, let's stick with just 1 chart for now, because what I'm about to show you is a real game changer. So let me quickly turn off 50-minute chart and we are going to leave the 1 hour one. So first things first though, let's actually place our very first trade. So personally, I like to backtest during the exact hours that I trade in real life, and that's usually the London to New York sessions. And Forex Tester Online has this really cool feature called Go To button. So what it does is just instantly takes you to the New York session open, and this extremely matters because when New York opens, we get the London and New York overlap, or to keep it simple, it's the best hours for day trading. It's the absolute best time to trade because, well, the volatility is high and liquidity is so perfect. So let's actually do that. We go to the Go To button and we go to the New York session opening at 1 o'clock. And as you can see, it literally took me when the market is most active. And this is where we are going to apply our trading strategy and analyze the market. So here is exactly what I see on the charts. We have a clear Fibonacci line. We also have an overall bullish market direction and a strong pivot point, as well as a solid candlestick confirmation. So all of these clearly indicate that the market is likely going up. So let's go ahead and place our trade. So what we need to do is we simply click the new order button and select a lot size, and I will go with something sensible for this account, which would be 0.5 lots. And then next, you have to tick the stop loss and take profit boxes. As you can see, this gives you the lines on the chart, which you can quickly move to exactly where you want them. And now we place our order, and let's actually see how this trade actually plays out. And as you can see, it's a beautiful move because the trade moved exactly as expected, and it's a profitable trade. Now check this out. There's another awesome feature at the top called tasks. So what it does, it clearly shows you how many trading days you have got left, your profit target, your maximum daily loss, and your total allowable drawdown. And these are the exact trading rules you need to follow to actually pass your profit challenge, and by sticking to them, you have already got a huge advantage. And let's talk about automation, because the best part is that you can do all of this automatically, because Forex Tester Online lets you automate your back testing process. So whether it's a complex trading strategy or something simple like my all-time favorite moving average crossover, it handles both perfectly. So what you need to do is just click on the strategies button right here. From there, you can upload your own strategy or simply choose one of the 3 strategies currently available in beta. But for now, let's quickly test something simple, which is my all-time favorite, the moving average crossover strategy, and just select it. And then of course, you can customize your settings, the time frame, and the lot size for each trade. So right now it's set to Euro USD on the 50-minute chart. And if you want to test the strategy on multiple time frames simultaneously, what you can do is simply pause the first strategy right over here and then click on the plus button and add another one. So now you have both the 15-minute and 1 hour charts running side by side. And honestly, this feature alone will save you hours of manual backtesting because it lets you quickly see how your trading strategy performs across different time frames. And trust me, it's incredibly powerful, and I just can't wait for you to try it out yourself. Okay, so after letting this trading strategy run for a little bit, as you can see, I actually passed the simulated profit challenge. So let's quickly glance at our trading history with the moving average crossover strategy. And yeah, as you can see, it looks amazing, right? But now let me show you another feature that's seriously going to blow your mind, because this one is bread and butter of making you a better trader. And this one called Trade Analyzer, or simply the Analytics tab. So this powerful tool uses AI to give you personalized feedback on exactly what you need to improve on. And it actually clearly shows you if your risk to reward ratio needs adjusting, maybe for some reason you are forgetting to use stop losses, and it also breaks down your trading strengths and weaknesses in precise detail. Now, on top of showing pros and cons, you can also dive into detailed performance analytics, so how many wins and losses you have had, how long your trades are open, plus countless other data points that reveal exactly how you are trading. And there's even a built-in calendar that visually shows your trading performance day by day. And with this kind of clear feedback, you have exactly what you need to continually refine your strategy. And if you are genuinely serious about becoming a profitable Forex trader, then you need to stop wasting your time and start backtesting your trading strategies correctly. Forex Tester Online literally changed my trading, and it can do the same for you too, and you can start your transformation right here, right now. You can use the link in my description box down below, and to make it even easier, I have arranged an exclusive 10% discount for you all. You can enter the promo code FTOCHRIS at the checkout, and you can start testing your way to profitability today. So I wish you all good luck, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!